Hey guys, it's Ivy and it's time for Family Dollar's deals. Now I am in Family Dollar where they have a laundry deal going on. Now some of the stuff been took, but I'm gonna show you what you should be looking for. So if you come right here, you see this 180. Look at that home line fabric softener sheets, 40. They look like this, but only it's 40. Where you see the 105 is 40 sheets. Okay, make sure you look for that one. Look, 180. Now, I want you to come right here and, what was that? These right here were not on sale, but it says purifying water. That's how many ounces. His store, these haven't went on sale yet, but they will be going, so make sure you pay attention to those. Okay, another thing that should be, this haven't went yet. It's still $4, but they should be 66 cents. So look at that greenback. They should be 60 cents sold. Now, the Gain Happies. Check all the Gain Happies, as you can see in here. They cleared out the Gain Happies in here, but it's gonna be a Gain like this, but only got Happy. That's on sale. That's it right there. That's one of them that's going to be on sale. And then we're going to come right over here because this is where I scored at, okay? Now, you're going to look at my cart because I got two of them. And I'm probably going to see this 16 count deep formula clean. 16, this is how it look. That's the contents of it right here. I scored two of these. They're $1.20. So here, there you go. That's the tag. They're $1.20. Now, let me tell you guys what else was on sale because look at all this cleaned out. The Purex packs were on sale. See these Perseals? They were on clearance also with a coupon. Perseal was on sale. The bags, those were. So those Perseals were also on sale. So another thing I want to show you guys, in this store, what everyone has been advertising is on sale, but it's not. So you see these right here? They are not on sale. Not in this store as of yet. Okay, not on sale. Now, I did scan all of this and I took it up to the counter and this was not on sale. Now, it's a blue one. Let me show you that top. Now, see, that's the Purex 4-in-1 that's on sale. It's $2.10 if you could find it. See the Snuggle? The Snuggle should be 65 to 75 cents. Theirs was not. You see, it's that little green one. It was not on sale. The Gain Softener right here, they do not have that. So that, I couldn't check for it. Now, these two Downies are on clearance, but not there. Now, I took this off of Shakira's post. Her name's Shakira. That's who post I got it off of. I always want to give people their credit when they're doing something, okay? That's where that came from. I'm looking for this bleach. Look for that low splash bleach, and it's the 2.53 quart. Look for that. I caught these a couple of weeks ago, and they were $2 or something, and not $3. Make sure, guys, that you check your end caps. Check all of your end caps. Okay, so let's get into some coupons, guys, now that we done went through that ordeal with the clearance laundry detergents right here. So we have the essential oil. Here's a kit. It's originally $4.40. We have a $3 off coupon. When I scan it, it tells me that it's $1.30 because I have a coupon for it. Make sure you see the little scissors, clip it. Now, put that in your cart because we're going to pay $1.10 for this. Yeah, I found something else that was on sale. Right here, you see the laundry pre-wash. It's originally $1.25. Look, it's on clearance for $1.10. Okay, so it's laundry pre-wash. I mean, they could have brought that down a little lower. Okay, guys, now we're gonna look at the trash bags because they have a $3 off coupon. Look, right here. Let me turn that around. We're gonna scan it. Okay, tap it. $3 because you know why you have two coupons. Now, one is you're gonna spend a certain amount for that one. See, you have to spend $12. We're not talking about that one. You're gonna clip this one right here. See that? you got a $3 coupon. So there you go. So pick up your Glade trash bags for $3. That's a good deal. Now, the laundry is not the only thing on clearance in here. It is also some of the body washes and all that. So this one right here is on, this one is $2.25. This is the clearance right here. Then that eucalyptus one is on sale also, but it's not here. And then look at this body wash right here. Now it is the soft salt Hawaiian luau, but when I scanned this one, it was on clearance too. Let's see. So the Hawaiian luau is gone, and apparently this is a heavy store. This is where my son work next door, guys. So let me scan. So that one was $5.90. It's down to $3.60. $4 off too. So if you bought 2 of these, you'll pay $4 for 2. But that is not it. It was the Hawaiian luau. Also, they got on clearance facial serums right there. So that's on clearance. What's that? That's hydrating cleanser. And then right here, I believe that's a Cetaphil cream advanced for $6.75. And what is the advanced relief shea butter? Here's some more clearance right here. Nail polishes. All of those are on clearance for $1.50. Some are $4.45, $3.15. Then what's that? A cuticle oil pen was on sale. The lips are on sale right here. These are $1.50. This one was $1.25. Okay, so they had some good stuff on sale. Clearance, guys. Start looking because they're trying to get rid of all of the winter and bring in spring and summer. So here's some more lipstick, $1.30 right here. Now, excuse the buggy, guys, but they had a big clearance section. Look, this is their clearance section. A lot of these we already scanned. Let me see this. I don't remember this being on clearance though. But let me check and see. Oh yes, guys, look. It's $1.97. Oh my God, let me grab that. That's $1.97. And look at that hoodie. Wow. And it's the blue dot. $10. It looked like that. This is $1.97. I'm gonna grab a couple of these for my sons. Right there. Okay, and here is a black 1XL. Let me see how much that one is. So you know colors do matter, okay? So make sure you're watching your color of things. Okay, let's see. Okay. And that one is $1.97. So we're going to grab that one also. Okay. And what is this? This is a medium, so he'll really like that one. Okay. And let me see. Let's say USA. Let's see what color. Oh, black. Now, black dot should be on clearance. It was a while ago. Okay. Let's see. Okay, let's see what it give us. I'm spinning. This is a dead spot in their store because I'm spinning right here for some reason. Come on. It said product not found. Now, the last time it said product not found for me, they would not sell it to me, okay? So, guys, do all of your scans. All of this is clearance. And they have some new stuff. This is a different store. I haven't been in this one. They have some new things here. So make sure you check out your clearance out, guys. And don't forget, go to the counter with the laundry supplies that I showed you and have them scan it for you. And then go to Shakira's post because that's where I got it from, guys. We don't gatekeep buying.